Morning guys, Budger and Wiyanga. Well, I'm back up in the Wattigans and I came along today with a mate, Nathan, who you've seen in one of my videos before about top 5 mods, and his 2 little brats.
Hi!
Isaac and Billy.
Hello!
So we're down here today. The boys are going to have a bit of a fun. I'm not saying specifically where we are, but some of you may know it. The boys are down here to try and handline some yabbies or some spiny cray, whatever it is we might find in here. So I'll give you a look at what we're doing and what they've got set up. So not too long ago I made a couple of hand lines. As you can see, the 2 of them there. Just a bit of wood with some monofilament line, and Nathan set them up over the little forked stick. And there's a bit of pork on one and a bit of chicken on the other. So at the moment it's just a game of wait and see if a yabby takes it. So what happens?
There.
The bait is over there, out further. See that? It's about this long. Slowly, very gently pull it in. Slowly, not too fast. Can you see the meat down there?
Yeah.
Slowly. You still feel a bit of weight? No, let it go.
Okay.
He's gone.
Which one of you just farted?
Now this one was good. Last one was really good.
Did you fart?
It was
Yeah.
good. Well, Dad, wasn't me. I know it wasn't Michael.
Isaac,
Yeah.
you going to come and try and catch this yabby, or are you just going to...
Yabby? I thought we were catching tadpoles. No, not just. That was for yabbies.
Watch your bait. Just watch it and see if you can see the yabby come back.
I'll catch it. I'm gonna catch it.
You might want to get the net ready.
I have the net ready. I can't pull it in. Isaac, do you see it? Not at all. It's back in there, I can't see anything.
You've got a hold of it tight.
Whatever that is, it's really tight. That's moving for sure. He's definitely holding it tight because that's just like... It's not coming moving. Out. Is it? Yeah, I see some dust. You can always see dust.
Watch out, Bill. If this snaps, it's going to whack you in the face. Or if it lets go.
You're putting that much pressure on it.
Why is he doing so? I'll just rip it out. What's this? He's probably still eating it.
Snapped.
That's a good size yabby.
Bummer.
Whatever that was.
And he'll be happy now.
Let's put mine in then.
Now put the net down.
Quietly.
You see the yabby?
Let's see.
See where the bait is? About to grab it with his nipper, with one nipper. Trying to take it back into his hole.
I can't see it. Isaac, get off the bench. You're going to fall in and then it's going to stay a little while.
A little one.
He's high. He's moving across the rocks.
Oh, Bill, I lost him. I lost where he went. Couldn't see.
He's down. He's come across this way and he's gone down.
Oh, how do you mean the net and he got it away?
Oh, you really caught him.
I think he got away.
No, I don't think he's in there.
He'll come back to his hole though.
Go ahead. Oh, Dad, there's one literally right there. There's one literally right there. He's climbing on the rocks.
Is he?
Yes, right there. It's a little baby. Go. Dad, can
Yeah, actually I can see a tiny little one on the rocks. I'm talking like 10-15 mil long.
Looks like a
Into the hole.
oh,
You ready?
missed it.
Wait,
You were pretty close to it though.
wait. Yeah. See?
So as per normal, when you try and take kids fishing,
Sorry,
they're over here being silly,
don't act wrong.
not doing what they're told,
I'll go first and I'll go behind, okay?
and their father is over here trying to catch the yabbies for them.
What are you
See the yabby down here? There's a yabby taking it. Stop, Isaac. I don't know if I got him or not.
You got a lot of mud.
Oh my gosh.
Doesn't sound like it.
Yeah.
Tip it out.
Tip it out.
So, come over here around over on my left.
Can I this one?
No, I'm going to show you. Can you see the yabby's got it?
Yeah.
Not on my right, Isaac. So you can see the yabby's got the bait.
Yes.
And where's the net? Behind
Right
him.
under him.
That's a nice big male.
I'm going to put it. Okay.
That's a nice big spiny.
There's another spiny back again, the one I've been trying to catch.
Tip him in. Don't touch him, he'll take your finger off. So tip it in.
Tip him.
Watch out.
Got him.
Got him.
There's another one.
What is it? Can I tip it in? Oh, wasn't that in? It's not a big one.
In the bucket.
Good enough. Isaac, I'm doing helping. I'm kind of giving you. Don't. You pulled one of his fingers off, it looks like. No, I didn't. Oh, no, it's not. Because that leaf looks like one of his fingers.
Now, I will just mention, yabbies don't seem to have a size limit, from what I recall looking through New South Wales DPI, but the spiny crays do, and they also have a bag limit, I think, of either 5 or 10. So just make sure, whatever state you're in, be it New South Wales or elsewhere, that you check the rules and regulations for your area before taking any of these. We're down here for a bit of fun. We're not actually taking any home. We're just a bit of fun for the boys. So, even though they don't want to behave themselves. Typical.
You see how I'm nice and slow?
I don't see my body.
Oh, he's just let go. So just stay here, because he might come back. He'll probably come back. You see it down there, Bill? Look. See where I'm poking?
No, he's got his head in the bucket.
That's the bait down there.
Spear it. Spear the bait.
Slowly bring towards us. Oh. Stop.
He's out. He's off. No, he's not.
No, he's not.
He's a 10.
Keep going a little bit more.
Isaac, he's a 10. I want it.
Keep on. Slowly. Yep. Bring it up toward. Can you see him?
There's one on the rock.
He's over there.
There's one on the rock, Nath.
Yeah, I know. That's where he went. Bring it back here.
He's jumping into the hole.
I've got
He's going to come back to it. I reckon he's going to come back to that bait.
There he's coming. Slowly.
Do tag them. Where? Do tag it. Where? I'll still tag it. Who is it, Isaac?
Yeah, so he's got it now.
latched onto them. Good. Yeah.
There you
There's
go.
nothing even in there. Where'd it go? It's gone.
Yeah, he ain't in there.
He escaped.
What?
Okay, it's a tree.
Well, that was a bit of fun. Just a quick little video today. Nathan and the boys had a lot of fun. Well, the boys did. They got yelled at a number of times, didn't want to do what they were told, but they still managed to catch a few little yabbies. Well, in fact, they're actually spiny crays. And as mentioned earlier, they do have a size limit and a bag limit on them, whereas I don't believe standard yabbies do. But again, just double check that with your local authorities for New South Wales, the New South Wales Department of Primary Industries. Double check that and double check the way that you're allowed to catch them. Certain hand lines are legal, and I believe the rectangle traps are legal, but there's certain traps that aren't allowed here in New South Wales or in certain areas. So make sure that you're on the right side. Now, well, I'm now set up for a camp for the night. Nathan and the boys have gone home. They got school tomorrow, and I'm sitting down here and trying to catch a few yabbies for myself to have for dinner. All those other ones went back in the water because, again, they're spiny crays and they do have a size limit. I don't believe any of those would have been of size anyway, but hey, they're a little bit harder to find than what a standard yabby is, so let's get some yabbies and have a feed, hopefully. Alright guys, take care, peace, and as always, I'll see you on the tracks. Yano.